Let's be honest, most of us were never taught how to manage money, not in school, not at home. But the truth is, money impacts everything: your dreams, your choices, your freedom. Personal finance isn't just about math, it's about life. It's about taking control, not just surviving. It's about saying yes to the future you truly want. So, if you're tired of stressing about money, if you're ready to build something real, here's where we start. Welcome to You Are Undefeated, a place to share knowledge and thinking to help you improve and develop yourself. If you have any questions or want me to write about any topic, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. 1. What is personal finance? Personal finance is the process of managing your individual or household financial activities, including earning, saving, investing, and spending money. It involves setting financial goals, creating budgets, tracking expenses, and making informed decisions about insurance, taxes, and retirement planning. By understanding personal finance, you can make choices that help you achieve financial stability, reduce debt, and build wealth over time. Ultimately, personal finance empowers you to take control of your financial future. 2. Why personal finance matters. Personal finance matters because it serves as the foundation for achieving both short-term and long-term life goals. By understanding how to manage money wisely, individuals can avoid unnecessary debt, prepare for unexpected expenses, and build a secure future. Good financial habits not only reduce stress, but also provide the freedom to pursue opportunities, such as education, travel, or starting a business. Ultimately, personal finance is essential for creating a life of stability, independence, and peace of mind. 3. Money doesn't manage itself. Without active attention, money can easily slip through our fingers. It's essential to regularly review your finances, adjust your budget as circumstances change, and stay disciplined with your spending. Automated tools can help, but ultimately, you are responsible for making conscious choices that align with your goals. By taking charge and being proactive, you can prevent small expenses from adding up and ensure that your financial resources are working effectively for you. 4. The first rule of money. The first rule of money is simple yet powerful. Spend less than you earn. This foundational principle is the cornerstone of sound financial management. By consistently living below your means, you create a surplus that can be saved or invested, paving the way for future financial growth. Adhering to this rule helps avoid the pitfalls of debt and ensures that you always have resources available for opportunities or emergencies, setting the stage for long-term financial success. 5. Freedom starts with finance. True freedom begins with taking control of your finances. When you manage your money wisely, you gain the ability to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. Financial independence means you're not bound by debt or limited by paycheck-to-paycheck living. Instead, you can pursue opportunities, invest in your future, and handle life's surprises with confidence. By mastering personal finance, you lay the groundwork for a future defined by security, flexibility, and true freedom. 6. Money is emotional. Money isn't just about numbers, it's deeply tied to our emotions and personal experiences. Our attitudes towards spending, saving, and investing are often shaped by childhood lessons, cultural influences, and even stress or excitement. Recognizing the emotional side of money helps us make more rational choices and avoid impulsive decisions. By understanding our emotional triggers, we can develop healthier financial habits, stay focused on our goals, and build a more secure and satisfying relationship with money. 7. It's never too late. No matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too late to take control and make positive changes. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to recover from setbacks, every step forward counts. By embracing new habits, seeking knowledge, and setting realistic goals, you can build a stronger financial foundation. Remember, small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time, empowering you to create the financial future you desire. Personal finance is not about being perfect. It's about being aware. It's about choosing to face your money. instead of letting it control your life. Because when you manage your money with intention, you start to live with purpose. You start to feel powerful, and you realize it was never really about the money. It was about becoming who you were meant to be. So take the first step, learn, adjust, grow, and remember, you are undefeated. Your future starts today. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.